Village Lordship. Lordship, we have pharmacists. We have given the entrance examination. There is a notification. After the notification, my Lordship, we have applied for the exam. We have given the entrance exam, my Lordship. After giving the entrance exam, our name came in the newspaper, my Lordship. After newspaper came, through the counseling process, we have submitted all our original documents, including mark sheet, the mark sheet now in question. Everything has been checked and verified by the Director of Medical Education, my Lordship. After that, my Lordship, we got the admission respective government college. In this case, my Lordship, petition number 1 got admitted in Shilpa Medical College, attached to Institute of Pharmacy, and petition number 2 and 3 got admitted. 2 got admitted in my Lordship, SMCS, Assam Medical College, and 3rd got in SMCS. My Lordship, after that, my Lordship, what happened? Our all the mark sheet and all the relevant documents again checked by the respective university college, my Lordship, namely Assam Medical College and the Shilpa Medical College. After that, Lordship, my Lordship, we have done our academic career excellent. We have passed all the exam. Then, my Lordship, we have passed the first year and second year diploma. Then, my Lordship, we have successfully passed out. Then, at the time of the COVID pandemic, my Lordship, we have done our internship program, my Lordship. After completing the 500 hours of internship training, my Lordship, we have applied for the registration certificate. When we applied for the registration certificate, there is no reason order have been provided to us. Then, my Lordship, what we have done, we have communication between we have first applied for the Director of Medical Education that our registration has been given by the registration. Then they have forwarded a letter, my Lordship. Kindly look into page, my Lordship. Here the letter forwarded by my Lordship, Director of Medical Education to the register officer, my Lordship. Here I have annexed that also. And then also, there, my Lordship, page number 43.
Page number?
43, my Lordship. May I proceed, my Lordship? Lordship, after that, we have filed a writ petition in the Honorable Court. After that, they have given affidavit in opposition. Learned Register has given that there is a notification 1990 on. According to that notification, I am not qualified because individually I have to pass subject physics, chemistry, biology. My Lordship, my humble, respectful submission is that if there is any defect or ineligibility criteria at the time of counseling process, my Lordship, that had to be rectified. I have not suppressed or any sort of document. All the document I have given them, and they have verified.
Where is your mark sheets? High secondary?
Yes, my Lordship. My Lordship, mark sheet page number 14 and 16 for petition number 1, my Lordship.
14 and
16. My Lordship, kindly see page number 14, annexer 1, my Lordship. Here is the petition number 1, my Lordship. If you see the mark sheet, my Lordship, may I make one more submission, my Lordship, here in this for this mark sheet, my Lordship.
what is the pass mark? 30.
Pass marks is, my Lordship, 30.
And theory?
Out of 100, my Lordship.
Theory?
What, my Lordship? Sorry,
Theory, there is any separate pass mark? No.
Yes, my Lordship. In physics, I think in theory, we have to get 21 marks. But the petition number 1 got 18. But collectively, he passed, my Lordship.
This became the fourth paper.
Yeah, sorry,
This became the fourth paper.
Yes, you have to go. And for the second petitioner, my Lordship, kindly see page number
Chemistry.
15. Chemistry, he got 17 out of 21. He needed 21, but collectively he got passed because out of 30 he got 29. Here he got 17.
12.
Yes, my Lordship. But collectively he also passed. He also passed, my Lordship. And petitioner number 3, my Lordship, she got grace marks in mathematics, my Lordship. Now, my Lordship, may I have collected two judgment of Supreme Court, my Lordship. My Lordship, may I just summary the judgment and relevant portion, my lordship. In this case, what happened, my lordship? There is a student named Zahid Sheikh, my lordship. He admitted in Ayurvedic college. After taking the admission, my lordship, after 1 year of completing his course, the admission authority said that he did not take the subject English. As per the eligibility criteria, he must should have taken the English subject. And then they have said that after that he has been transferred to another school because that school was derecognized, my lordship. And the second school he got admitted, they said that you are not qualified because you did not take the English subject. What happened he did, he approached the Honorable Madhya Pradesh High Court. At first, Madhya Pradesh Honorable High Court first gave him the interim relief, my lordship. After the interim get relief, he was studying there. When the complete case was heard, and the Honorable Madhya Pradesh High Court single base heard that he was not qualified because English was not taken. Then student Zahid Sheikh was again approached the division bench of Madhya Pradesh High Court. Division bench again upheld the single bench. Then what happened? That he approached the Honorable Supreme Court. Honorable Supreme Court, if your lordship kindly see, there is an observation and some remark given by the Honorable Supreme Court. May, lordship kindly see. Sorry.
You read.
Okay.
Be comfortable, read. Don't break your flow. You're going in a good flow. Keep that up.
Here is my lordship. Then, though the interim order granted by the High Court on 30/10/2012 recorded that the appellant would not be entitled to claim equities, the fact that he was permitted to complete the entire course and had also finished part of his mandatory internship ought not to have been brushed aside lightly. Be it noted that appellant had put in nearly 6 years by then in pursuing DSMS degree course, and the end result of the High Court order was to decimate his entire labor of all those years. An act of the court should ordinarily not prejudice anyone. There is an actus curiae neminem gravity. This is a fundamental principle of justice, but it was disregarded by the High Court while considering the case of the appellant. May I read again, my lordship, here is last. We are of the opinion that this case is a fit case for interference so that the appellant is not left out in the cold after completing almost the entire course. Again, my lordship, I have another judgment of Honorable Supreme Court. This one is, my lordship, as presented 18/2025, 18 marks. Another judgment I have collected, my lordship, judgment 1976. May I just summarize the fact, my lordship? What happened here is an student in Kurshetra University, one LLB student. He did not classes, but he did not fulfill the eligibility criteria as per his class notice. What happened, my lordship, when he has given the entrance, given the examination, my law exam. When he given the entrance, sorry, my lordship, given the examination.
Relax, Sensei.
My first time, my lordship.
Relax.
Given the examination, before giving the examination, the principal authority did not say anything about the attendance. After he given the examination, they said that no, you are not qualified because your attendance is less. Then he approached the Honorable Supreme Court. Here is the judgment. Honorable Supreme Court specifically said, if the authorities have said to him before the examination conduct that you are not qualified because attendance is less, after giving the examination, authorities cannot say that you are not eligible because he has given the examination. And here is the observation by Justice Honorable Justice Fazal. This is the judgment given by A.S.R. Khanna, P.N. Bhagavati, and S. Mortaza. May I read, my lordship?
Yes.
What effects to have in a case of refusal of admission of the appellant or the cancellation of his candidature at the proper time has been completely bungled and destroyed by the inherent inconsistency and seemingly contradictory stand taken by the respondent and lack of proper vigilance on the part of the head of the Department of Law. The fact of the present case lie within a very narrow compass of only 2 short points of law have been raised before by the Mr. Kopil Sibal, Learned Counsel for the appellant. In this case also, Supreme Court had clarified after taking
Got your point. Anything more?
My lordship, may I just say that they belongs to very poor family, my lordship. They are ST category. They have done everything. They have completed the course, my lordship. They have been waiting for the certificate for 3 years, my lordship. If they get the registration, at least, my lordship, they can be same people employed. They are in the marriageable as group. There have been financial hardship, my lordship. My lordship, it is the honorable court to have the discretion, my lordship, save their livelihood, my lordship. And they can at least, they can be self-employed, my lordship.
Okay.
That is my humble submission.
Okay. Good. How long have you been in practice?
My 6 month, my lord.
Very good. Keep it up. Yes, Mr. Leave everything aside. Leave his arguments also. Come to page 43.
43. Letter of the director.
After this, what is there? We are allowing. You give the
So far as
unique, yes. We'll make it that this is not a precedent.
that part, my lord, so far as the judgment that has been placed.
That we are not going.
It is under Article 142.
We are
That
not
can-
going into that. We don't have that power. But here, you with your open eyes permitted them to participate in the course. Once you have permitted them, they have cleared, you cannot.
In fact, my lord, in the advertisement also, that we have next, my lord.
Advertisement also, the prescription is there.
It
That-
says, my lord, physics, chemistry, biology.
We have
all
got it,
maths.
page 18.
Yes, page 22. So you will see the eligibility criteria, page 23, part of the advertisement.
No, this is BSc nursing.
No, 23. Diploma in pharmacy. One, my lord, candidate must have passed the higher secondary examination 10+2 or equivalent examination in physics, chemistry, and biology or mathematics from a recognized board council.
What is this then, page 18? Oh, this is BSc nursing. Sorry. So here, the individual passing is not there.
No, it says, my lord, physics, chemistry, and biology or mathematics. So physics, chemistry, or biology or mathematics.
Anything.
3, yes.
That he has passed, that means one will become fourth paper.
No, they will have to have this
No,
particular.
or
combination.
equivalent examination with physics, chemistry, biology, and or mathematics.
Pass.
So biology and or mathematics.
Yes.
He has everything. All the three he has.
So whether the marks
You don't say yes, should have passed.
pass.
You say pass the higher secondary examination.
Proxy will see page 14, my lord.
I'll tell you my thing. I had physics, I had chemistry, I had biology, botany, zoology, biology, and mathematics. I passed my higher secondary, but I plugged my maths paper.
Same here.
It became my fourth paper. But if you ask me, I passed my higher secondary with maths also.
Yes.
21 is required, I suppose. I think I got 18. I was so good in mathematics, they couldn't understand my answers.
I was also not good in mathematics, my lord. It's like
So, Mr. Gugoi, I think we'll have to permit.
That I need to
We'll
learn.
direct. This is the qualification.
Yes. This is the not the notification, this is the advertisement. Sorry.
This is the advertisement. Come to the educational qualification.
At page 23, the eligibility criteria has been given. This is my
Candidate must have passed higher secondary 10+2 or equivalent examination with physics, chemistry, or biology, and or mathematics from a recognized board, council, university. That much only.
Yes. Now, on page 14, Lord, you will see, my lord, the petitioner is one petitioner, he failed in physics. So
No.
physics,
That is
chemistry will
where,
have to be
that is where your director's page
clear.
43 letter would
There
come
was
in.
clarification.
Do you get my point?
Since there is a clarification from the highest state authority. there is a
It's
direct-
very rare that I hear somebody for such long. But I like the flow
Yes,
with
yes.
this. And Mr. Counsel, don't laugh. Today, you have set a mark, benchmark. You should not fall below that. Do you get my point?
Yes.
Just
I
keep the hard
My
work
lordship,
Yes,
with
yes.
this. Would
There was
come in.
clarification.
Do you get my point?
Since there is a clarification from the highest state authority. there is a
It's
direct-
very rare that I hear somebody for such long. But I like the flow
Yes,
with
yes.
this. And Mr. Counsel, don't laugh. Today, you have set a mark, benchmark. You should not fall below that. Do you get my point?
Yes.
Just
My
keep the hard
My
work.
lordship, at the orientation program, your lordship said that if any new advocate are in front of me, you said that I will highly appreciate. That's why, my lordship, I prepared the judgment by myself and this also. my
The
lordship.
person is sitting there, Mr. Montauk, the culprit behind that. Writ petition allowed. Your name?
Amin, my lordship.
R. Amin
Yes, my lordship.
and Mr. Gugoi. Lemma Didi.
That affidavit, my lord, two para lordship may kindly consider, my lord. Just I leave it to your lordship. 4 and 7 of the my lord council.
একটু সবসময় হ্যান্ডিক্যাপ বসে Yes, Mr. Govind.
Lordship will just refer to that, my lord. The ground is, my lord, they have not passed out in this. Just for my sake, my lord.
No. Para?
There are 4 and 7.
We have seen that. Okay. Writ petition allowed.
That
You'll get the order by Friday.
Again, my lord, that it will not be a precedent. Otherwise, my lord, there are lots of pharmacy institutions now. They will start taking.
This is unique because here there is a I'll bring that
In fact, the
director's.
director's letter is the main.
Highly so highly of blessing.